forecast. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-40s. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 40s. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Thursday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid... The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania State Police. The Pennsylvania State Police are asking all residents of Barrett and Price Townships to continue to shelter in place. Please do not go outdoors and remain away from windows or openings to the outside. Please stay tuned to media outlets for further information. At 2 p.m. at Sussex Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature